What's up, Team Lethal fans? Today we're going to be talking about our lowdown. Boo, 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 boo.
What's going on, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house. My man Pobs, Mr. LSX, for another edition of the Lethal Lowdown, where we're going to talk to you guys about industry news, new products that we're carrying, products that we have in stock, and also giving customer shout-outs. That's what's up.
Wow. Wow.
All right, so what do we got here, Pobs? What do we got?
So here we got the J2 Fab Cobra crank support.
This right here is going to help you guys out there running aftermarket superchargers protect that crank, protect that bearing from extra load that the larger supercharger puts on that crank, and again, prevent you from having to rebuild a motor. So you pick one of these crank support kits out, you're going to help prevent that from happening.
So this requires the Innovators West balancer and Metco hub. It supports up to a 4-pound ring, and this clears all of the stock accessories and fans.
Yep, no interference with anything, guys. Pick up one of these kits, protect that crank from snapping and having to rebuild a motor. It's that simple. My man J2 Fab, made in the USA.
Love it.
What are we talking about next? One of the most popular selling products here, which I love doing for the random lethal goodies. What's that?
Corsa HH pipes.
HH pipe, very popular product here at Lethal Performance. It's also exclusive to us. We thank Corsa for working with us on it. It's very nice. If you guys know that double helix X pipe that they offer, we have a double HH pipe. It's available by itself. It'll work on your factory vehicle with your OEM exhaust, as well as all of Corsa catbacks. Comes with the adapter and reducer to make it fit perfect for you guys.
So up until now, we've had it for the Mustang GT, and now it's available for the GT350.
The double HH pipe is a very popular product. We sell a ton of them. We do our best to keep all of them in stock, and we just did receive our first batch of the GT350 version, which we're very excited about. We want to expand that offering not only to the GT guys, but the guys with the flat plane crank GT350.
I wonder how that's going to sound.
For sound clips, you can definitely check out our YouTube channel, Lethal Camp. We've got some videos up there. Xander13 has a great video. We've also got Stang Mode, who is running that on Project Undertaker with the all-new Corsa track exhaust, and it sounds insane. So if you're looking to pick up a double HH pipe from Lethal Performance, give us a shout, and make sure to log in using your loyalty account for a special Lethal loyalty pricing.
Hey, what do Magnuson, APR, Corbo, Vivid Racing, and Liver Noise have in common?
They're all badass products and available now here at Lethal Performance.
Yep.
Very excited to bring on a whole bunch of new lines. Magnuson Superchargers, we've got their whole line of supercharger kits listed on the site. We've got Vivid Racing, they've also got their VR Forge and VR Tune products on our website. Everything is up there. If you guys have any questions regarding any of these new products, feel free to reach out to us. We'll do our best to help you out.
Project 2021 F150. It was 4x4 status. We got it lowered. We got new weld wheels coming in. What else?
We've got a Whipple Supercharger kit, which we did an unboxing video for. You can check it out on our YouTube channel, which is actually very in-depth unboxing of the kit, speaking about its features and its accessories, as well as how great of a job that Whipple does packing up all the supercharger kits. Well, the truck looks great now with the VazFab lowering kit on it. We got the 3.5 Street kit featuring Viking coilovers on it, and we're, again, super excited to get that thing out to the track and install that Whipple on it. I really like to get that out to the track, though, in form that we have it right now, pretty much stock, to show what kind of a difference that Whipple Supercharger is going to make from factory.
That and the Explorer ST.
Yeah, we still haven't gotten that to the track.
No, sir.
And Matt's Explorer ST hauls. Got a bunch of work on there, upgraded turbos on it. He's got the Whipple intercooler, custom tuning from Palm Beach Dyno.
Full Corsa exhaust.
He's also got the Extreme DI injectors and high pressure fuel pump to help support the power that he's going to be making on E85. So we got to get that out to the track as well. Be great to do like a track day with both vehicles, get some awesome content for you guys. I honestly think that ST is going to fly, man. I'm wondering with the ST in this form now with the upgraded turbos, how the F150 is going to do with the Whipple. Which one do you think is going to win?
I don't know, but it's going to be fun to find out.
I'm thinking the ST is, although the F-150 is going to make a lot of power with the Whipple and definitely improve on it, the ST just feels so potent. Yeah, so it'd be great to get both of those vehicles out to the track, see which one is quicker. Let us know what you think.
I got dibs on the ST.
I was the one who was taking the ST.
Fine, I'll drive the truck.
Okay, cool.
What do Magnums and trannies have in common? We carry both of them.
Yeah, we do. Here at Lethal Performance, we carry the Tremec T56 Magnum and Magnum XL kits, which you can purchase by themselves as well as in conversion kits.
So if you're sick of your MT82 or just happen to give out like the majority of them do, we got you covered.
Our Magnum conversion kits have all the components needed to swap over, whether it be some wiring harnesses, the drive shaft, clutches. It's all included in our package. You've actually got different options choosing which clutches you want to use. We've got Mantic, we've got McLeod, and we've got the Lethal Performance line of LPX and LPX HD twin disc clutch kits available.
So whenever you guys are ready for the swap, we got you covered.
Speaking about trannies and tranny components, we're very excited to let you guys know that we now have back in stock the Lethal Performance 26 spline input shaft upgrade for all the 0304 Cobra guys. We've been waiting on it forever. They've been in production for like the longest time, and they're finally here, so get them while they're hot.
Shoutouts. Who do we got first? We got Letitia Hughes from Letitia Hughes Racing.
Yeah. Congratulations, Letitia, on your win at NMRA True Street all-female class. Wonderful job. Letitia runs our fuel system on her car. She's got a whole bunch of mods from Lethal Performance, has been supporting us over all the years, and she keeps on winning these races. Done a phenomenal job. Glad to have you on board. And we also have Letitia's son, Ashton, as part of the team. He's going to be running our Street Fighter 525 clutch in his car. Great to be dealing with him, the next generation of racers from the Hughes family.
Next up, we got Staying Mode and his giveaway car, Undertaker.
The Undertaker! Oh yeah! That's right, my man Staying Mode doing the Undertaker giveaway, which is a 2018 Mustang GT. He's got the new Whipple Gen 5 3-liter supercharger kit on there. He's also got the Bread and Butter 2 package from BMR Suspension. We've also got some, DSS half shafts on there.
We got some Forged Star wheels on there.
Oh yeah, D5s. And he's also got the new Corsa Performance track exhaust, all new for the 17 and up Mustang GT.
Which sounds so good.
Oh, it's unreal. Featuring also the double HH pipe by Corsa, exclusively available here at Lethal Performance. For more information about the Undertaker giveaway, you can go to stangmode.com. Follow my man Stang Mode on Stang Mode Official on Instagram or Stang Mode on YouTube, where it's got some awesome content, as well as those videos we were just talking about, the Corsa track exhaust and the double HH pipe. Stay tuned, guys. You can see a lot more from my man Stang Mode coming up. And that about wraps up this edition of the Lethal Lowdown. Thanks for watching, guys.
We're out of here.
Guys,
Yep.
we're still not done.
What?
We're still not done.
What else?
She's right. We got Warehouse Wars coming up, where each one of you has a chance to win a $250 gift card every month.
We also have customer features coming, which you guys can be featured on our website and also be on our social media.
Also, you know we love giving stuff away, random lethal goodies and all that stuff. Make sure to watch out for more giveaways we got coming up. We're going to give it all away! Yeah! Thanks for watching, guys.
Now we're out.
Yeah, we're out. And we're looking at that one. Straight ahead, Pops.
That one? Right over there?
I'm looking at you!
Come here.
Get a little closer. Come on in. Get a little closer. Come on in. Bring it in, guys. Bring it in. Don't be scared.
I can smell your breath. Just
don't be scared.
What's going on, Team Lethal fans?
You know what time it is? The Lethal Lowdown. We got a whole bunch of... That's what's up.
Wow. Wow. I'm blown away.
All right, so crank support kit is going to help prevent. You don't want to have to rebuild a motor over, again, running. Gosh, anyways.
So this requires the Innovators West.
Oh yeah, he's also got the injectors and a high pressure pool pump.
It's got a high pressure pool.
It's
got a fresher pool pump.
Poopa platter.
Chlorine.
Just
add chlorine.
Chlorine? Yeah. Just
No
add
meth, just chlorine.
Throws you to the back.
It's fine. These bloopers are gonna be fun.
Why wouldn't you let Matt drive the ST?
I don't know. Why you gotta make it like that?
Because we gotta market the
Don't
results.
show Matt this. He's gonna be upset about that.
Don't tell Matt I'm gonna be driving his car.
You're going to eat his food.
I mean, yeah, I already ate his food. I might as well drive his car too, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is anybody hiring?
We really haven't. No. I'm gonna redo that when I say. All right.
You know what a lot of Mustang guys need?
Trannies.
Magnums.
Trannies.
Magnums.
And also, speaking about transmissions and trannies and stuff like that, we're all. Gosh, dude,
Wow.
It's just I'm wired. Yeah, it's crazy.
Take a sip.
Cray-Cay. Cray K?
Cray K?
Cool. No? Good?
There's a child right there crawling. Shout out to Letitia Hughes at Letitia Hughes Racing.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Racing. We're not talking about Reishi or Reishi thermostats. Congratulations on your win at the NMRA True Street all-female class.
All
Female class?
female class.
Female, yeah, all-female class.
First of all, we got Letitia Hughes from Letitia Hughes Racing.
Racing, it's not racing. Dude, anyways, let's try this one more time. Yeah, congratulations, Letitia, on your awesome win in the NMRA True Street class, all-female class. Mother.
Is that it? Did we get everything covered?
I'm pretty sure we're done.
Okay. That's when you hop
Carlo. Competitions, some fun shit, and I totally f***ed that one up because I'm stumbling all over the place.
a $250 gift card.
Also, I forgot.
That's a good blooper right there.
That's really
That's a great blooper. Also, I forgot. Wow, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
I was just gonna say.
We're also gonna have What is it?
Customer features?
I keep forgetting that. It's just
You're just like me.
like
What kind of bullshit is that? Am I like, dude, I'm off the
You're
I'm
done?
out of
You
here. I'm
quit?
done.
You're done?
I'm done. Done.
What's going on, Team Lethal fans? The new Mustang King is here. Nope, no.